Welcome back to Car Culture, your go-to destination for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Benelli TRK 502X, a bike that's designed to take adventure riding to the next level. The 2026 TRK 502X comes with a fresh, aggressive look. Benelli has redesigned the fairings and added sharper lines, giving it a more commanding presence on the road. But it's not just about style. This bike is built for performance and comfort, whether you're cruising the city or exploring off-road trails. Under the hood, the TRK 502X is powered by a 499cc parallel twin engine, capable of producing around 47 horsepower. It's mated to a smooth 6-speed gearbox, ensuring that acceleration is seamless and responsive. For long rides, this means less fatigue and more thrill. Benelli has also upgraded the suspension for 2026. You get front USD forks and a rear monoshock, designed to absorb bumps effortlessly, giving you a stable and comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. The spoked wheels and dual sport tires make sure you can handle gravel, dirt, and asphalt with confidence. Inside, the TRK 502X features a modern TFT display, offering clear information on speed, fuel, gear position, and navigation. Connectivity options allow riders to link their smartphones for music and calls, adding a touch of tech-savvy convenience. Other notable upgrades include an adjustable windscreen, handguards for extra protection, and a comfortable seat for both rider and passenger. The ergonomics are designed to keep you comfortable, even on long journeys. And now, the part you've been waiting for, the price. The 2026 Benelli TRK 502X comes in at around $6,500 USD, making it an attractive option for riders who want adventure-ready features without breaking the bank. So, whether you're a city commuter or a weekend adventurer, the 2026 Benelli TRK 502X promises a blend of style, comfort, and performance that's hard to beat. That's it for today's review on Car Culture. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things automotive. See you next time.